Welcome to Mondragon Corporacion Cooperativa, a business group defined by a cooperative approach to labour and by its mission of service to customers and society at large. MCC, the Mondragon Cooperative Corporation, began trading in the town of Mondragon thanks to the drive of an exceptional individual, José María Arizmendi Arrieta, the inspiration and dynamic force behind our cooperative experience. His first project was the founding in 1943 of the Professional College, a source of skilled technicians for local companies. In 1956, 5 young men from this centre, guided by Arizmendi Arrieta, founded Ulgor, now Fagor Electrodomésticos, the embryo of the corporation. New cooperative companies would subsequently emerge, with a highlight being the creation in 1959 of Caja Laboral, a savings bank that has played a key role in our development. Eroski, now one of the foremost groups in the Spanish distribution sector, was created 10 years later in 1969, bringing the curtain down on an extremely fruitful decade for the creation of cooperative companies, which would find continuity in subsequent years. MCC's mission is expressed in its corporate values: cooperation, empowerment, innovation, and social responsibility. Its cooperatives have been acknowledged by organizations both at home and abroad for their business management and their sense of social responsibility. Today, Mondragon Corporacion Cooperativa is the largest business group in the Basque Country and the 7th largest in Spain, with manufacturing subsidiaries in 5 continents. MCC bases its growth on an active and supportive employment policy, driven by innovation in all corporate areas, the development of new activities, and international projection. Technological innovation is a mainstay of our development, being a key factor in the competitiveness of our companies and in the creation of skilled labour. It is based largely on a corporate technology and science plan, on a network of technology centres, with ICALAM as a historical referent, and on the operations of the Polo Garaya, which interweaves the work of technology centres, companies, and higher education. The promotion of new activities and jobs is an intrinsic part of our corporate DNA. The cooperative's traditional promotional role is now compounded by the dynamising role of the Corporate Development Centre, whose remit is to provide support for new activities, preferably in advanced sectors. International projection, which began in 1966 with the export of products, became extremely dynamic from the 90s onwards, with the setting up abroad of numerous manufacturing subsidiaries. Mondragon Corporacion Cooperativa is organized into 3 basic areas: financial, industrial, and distribution. The financial area comprises Caja Laboral and Lagunaro, with their associate companies. Caja Laboral, immersed in a far-reaching expansion plan, is characterized by its commitment to customer service and the offer of specialized financial products for businesses and private individuals, being especially active in mortgages and savings products. Its ample experience with the corporation's cooperatives means that it can offer SMEs the typical services usually reserved for large companies. Within the sphere of quality, it has been awarded the Golden Q in recognition of business excellence. Lagunaro, a social welfare cooperative, provides healthcare cover for worker members and covers the long-term benefits for pensions, widows and widowers' pensions, and disability pay on a complementary basis to those of the Social Security. These benefits are guaranteed by the return obtained from the management of the endowment fund. Industrial operations at MCC encompass the following: consumer goods, capital goods, industrial components, construction, and services to business. Consumer goods. MCC produces white-line domestic appliances, fridges, washing machines, ovens, and dishwashers, occupying a position of leadership in Spain and France, with growing deployment in Eastern Europe. It also provides a broad range of office and household furniture for different settings. In leisure and sport, it manufactures bicycles, fitness equipment, and camping, garden, and beach items. Capital goods. MCC is Spain's leading machine tool manufacturer in metal cutting and sheet metal forming. Its products are designed for the automotive, domestic appliance, steel, railway, and aeronautics sectors. Its offer is completed with automation and control products, packaging systems, machinery for timber processing, and the automation of assembly processes, forklift trucks, electrical transformers, complete installations for the hotel and catering sector, and luxury coaches, a sector in which it is the market leader in Spain and the second largest supplier in the European market. Especially for the automotive sector, it produces a wide range of dies, as well as molds and tooling for steel and aluminium casting, and it occupies an outstanding position in machinery for foundries. Industrial components. MCC is an integral purveyor to the world's main car manufacturers, catering for design and development through to industrialization and the provisioning of components and assemblies. It is structured into business units for brakes, axles, suspension, transmission, engines, aluminium wheels, fluid conduits, and other internal and external components, using a broad array of technologies for metal, plastic, and rubber materials. It also produces components for makers of domestic appliances, focusing on the three main areas of business: white line, household comfort, and electronics. In addition, it casts and manufactures valving for the energy and petrochemical sector, flanges and fitting products, and copper and aluminium electric conductors. Construction. MCC has a significant presence in the construction sector, being involved in the development of landmark buildings and major works of infrastructure, both at home and abroad. It designs and manufactures major structures in wood and laminated timber. It supplies prefabricated parts in polymer concrete. It offers solutions for forming and structures, as well as machinery for public works. And it contributes to the industrialization of the construction process, including engineering and assembly services. MCC also responds to exacting demands in vertical transport and lifting systems, applying the latest technologies in the use of space, safety and energy saving, providing a comprehensive customer service. Services to business. Services to business comprises different services of business consultancy, architecture and engineering, property consultancy, design and innovation, and also provides its know-how in the field of integral logistics engineering. In addition, it offers a modern languages service, manufactures teaching materials, and undertakes dynamic operations in the graphic arts sector. The Eroski Group, a prominent Spanish operator in distribution, is extending its business throughout Spain and southern France. It maintains close ties with the French Intermarché Les Mousquetaires Group and with the German distribution leader Edeka. Since 2002, they have combined to form the international alliance Alidis. The group's development involves proprietary workers and consumer members, with both taking part in decision-making bodies. The Eroski Foundation promotes consumer instruction and information, sustainable development, and international solidarity. The food group Ercorp also belongs to the distribution area, pursuing its business in the sectors of catering, cleaning, livestock farming, and horticulture. Since its origins, Mondragon Corporacion Cooperativa has been characterized by the sustained creation of jobs, an engaging and transparent management, and a commitment to education and training. Its flagship in terms of education is Mondragon Universitatea, a cooperative university that combines the pursuit of knowledge, competencies, and values, forging close ties with business, particularly with our cooperatives, and offering an extensive range of master's degree and postgraduate studies. Otalora, the Executive and Cooperative Training Center, organizes seminars on modern management techniques, being intensely involved in the dissemination of our cooperative culture. The cooperative's business trajectory is a stunning reflection of the achievements made along the way by our experience. An exciting journey, beginning now more than half a century ago, based on engagement and supportive work. The pooling of effort, constant adjustment to change, technological innovation, and supportive interaction with our milieu have been, since that distant month of April 1956, the key features of our development. At the start of this new millennium, and convinced of the validity and efficacy of our cooperative principles, we shall continue to base our development on innovation, the promotion of new activities, and international projection, turning the challenges of an increasingly demanding and globalized economy into business opportunities and jobs. However splendid the present might be, it is destined to fail if it turns its back on the future.